Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn most important MCQ on Citizenship of India. Your first question, which type of citizenship is provided by the Constitution of India? Correct answer, single citizenship. Your next question, a person's Indian citizenship can be terminated if he/she resides continuously outside India for how many years? Correct answer 7 years. Important points. Under the Citizenship Act 1955, a citizen by registration, naturalization, loses citizenship if he/she lives abroad for 7 continuous years without registering annually at the Indian consulate. Your next question. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas is observed on. Correct answer, every year on 9th January. Important points. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas is celebrated every year on 9th January since 2003 to mark the return of Mahatma Gandhi from South Africa to India in 1915. Your next question. The Singhvi Committee was related to. Correct answer, dual citizenship for PIOS. Important points. Recommended dual citizenship overseas citizenship of India for persons of Indian origin. Based on this, the OCI scheme was launched in 2005. Your next question. The concept of single citizenship in India has been borrowed from which country? Correct answer, Britain. Your next question. Which principle of citizenship was originally followed by the Indian Constitution? Correct answer, jus soli. Important points. Initially, India followed jus soli. After 1986 and 2003 amendments, India moved to a restricted form. A person born in India is a citizen only if at least one parent is Indian. Your next question. Assam Accord is primarily associated with. Correct answer, citizenship and illegal migration. Assam Accord was signed to address the issue of illegal migration from Bangladesh. Your next question. The Assam Accord was signed between the Government of India and. Correct answer, All Assam Students Union and Assam Gana Parishad. Your next question. Which safeguard was promised in the Assam Accord 1985 for the Assamese people? Correct answer, protection of cultural, social and linguistic identity. The Assam Accord promised constitutional, legislative and administrative safeguards to preserve Assamese identity against the threat of large-scale migration. Your next question. According to the Assam Accord 1985, the cutoff date for detecting foreigners in Assam was. Correct answer, 24 March 1971. Anyone who entered Assam after midnight of March 1971 was to be treated as a foreigner. Your next question. Which register was decided to be updated under the Assam Accord 1985 to identify illegal migrants? Correct answer, National Register of Citizens. The Assam Accord provided for the updation of NRC to detect and delete name of illegal migrants from electoral rolls. NRC was later updated under Supreme Court's monitoring 2013 to 2019. Your next question. The main purpose of the Assam Accord 1985 was. Correct answer. Deportation of illegal migrants from Assam. The Assam Accord aimed to detect, delete, and deport illegal migrants from Assam to protect the socio-cultural identity of indigenous Assamese people. Your next question. The first Indian state where the updation of the National Register of Citizens was carried out is. Correct answer. Assam. Your next question. The database under the National Population Register is maintained by. Correct answer. Registrar General of India and Census Commissioner, Ministry of Home Affairs. Your next question. Which of the following correctly describes an NRI? Correct answer. Indian citizen living abroad holding an Indian passport. NRI is an Indian citizen residing outside India for employment, business, or other purpose. They hold an Indian passport and enjoy all rights of Indian citizens, including property, ownership, and voting, if physically present in India. Your next question. The person of Indian origin card SAM was launched in which year? Correct answer. 1999. The PIO card SAM allowed foreign nationals with Indian ancestry up to 3 generations to obtain. In 2015, the SAM was merged with the OCI SAM. Your next question. Which of the following is not a right of an overseas citizen of India card holder? Correct answer. Purchase agricultural land in India. OCI card allows visa-free entry to India, residence and employment. Restrictions: cannot vote, cannot hold constitutional post, cannot buy agricultural plantation land. Your next question. Under the Citizenship Act 1955, which of the following is a mode of acquiring Indian citizenship? Correct answer. By birth. The Citizenship Act 1955 provides acquisition of citizenship by birth, descent, registration, naturalization, and corporation of territory. By birth rules were later restricted through Amendment 1986-2003. Your next question. Citizenship acquired by descent means. Correct answer. Citizenship because of parents or grandparents' nationality. Citizenship by descent applies when a person is born outside India but has at least one parent who is an Indian citizen at the time of birth. Your next question. Citizenship by incorporation of territory is granted when. Correct answer. A foreign territory becomes a part of India. When new territory is added to India, the Government of India specified citizens of that territory as Indian citizens. Example, people of Goa, Puducherry, Sikkim automatically became Indian citizens. Your next question. Which of the following is not a condition for acquiring Indian citizenship by naturalization under Citizenship Act 1955? Correct answer. Compulsory military service in India. Conditions for naturalization include renunciation of prior citizenship, not belonging to a country where Indians are barred, good character, knowledge of an eighth schedule language, normally residence in India for 11 years or distinguished service in science, literature, art, philosophy, peace and human rights. Your next question. Under the Citizenship Act 1955, a citizen may lose citizenship by renunciation when. Correct answer. Citizen voluntarily makes a declaration to give up Indian citizenship. Voluntarily give up Indian citizenship by making a declaration in the prescribed manner. Your next question. Which of the following leads to termination of Indian citizenship under the Citizenship Act 1955? Correct answer. Voluntarily acquiring citizenship of another country. Your last question. Deprivation of Indian citizenship means. Correct answer. Compulsory termination of citizenship by Government of India. Deprivation is compulsory removal of citizenship by government if a person obtained it by fraud, shows disloyalty, illegally communicated with enemy, imprisons for 2 years or more, or within 5 years lived outside India without permission. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel.